Check this out. We went to the province. They have a poster of us. Look. Right here. Stand right here. Right there.
That's me, bro.
Oh my gosh. Bro, they have a poster. Look at Wayne.
What's your
Oh
name?
my god. Yeah. Province. We're in province right now. Hello! Hi! Okay lang. Oh, bless. Ano ngalan niya? Ano pangalan niya?
Igo.
Igo? Igo. Ikaw? Ace? Magkapatid kayo? Ace. Igo? Igo, Ace? Saan kayo nakatira? Dito? Saan kayo nakatira? Where do you live? Over there?
Kapatid mo siya, Riz!
Yeah, you're shy. First cousin.
Kuya Wayne! Ito anak ni Charis! Yan!
Yeah. Ace. Ace daw name niya. Ace.
Kuya daw siya. Dali, anak! Kuya daw.
Sa kapatid ni Ate Charis?
Oo, kapatid ni Charis. Wala ka mo kay Kurt? Hindi na siya nakagulin.
That one speaks English. Oh, pa-shoot! Pa-shoot! Sabi nga! Go! Hello!
Mami si Seth.
Wayne!
Hi na siya. Yado ko.
Hello po! Cheers!
ho.
Yes!
Si Ray Ray, ay, yung picture niya Ray Ray, yung nakita mo yung Ray? Yung picture mo na naka-ano ka? Naka-white sando ka? Nasa ambong mo yun.
Meron pa siya picture? Now?
Sa Kalabaw.
Hang it out. Okay, so they have a cannon and we're gonna check it out. Alright, let's see. Alright, they're gonna... What's gonna happen? I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. Alright, so this is the cannon. Cannonball. Go over here, right? Over here. Outside. You'll see the palayan. Right there.
Wait, it's closed?
Yeah, it's close. That's the back of the house already. I'm asking them.
Wait, how many apples do you have? Dalawa?
You see? See, guys.
Where's your-
Guys, grateful.
The one that you for
Guys
sabong.
should be grateful. Look at this dog. Tied up.
Nandun sa labas.
Oh, puppies.
Ano yung panlabas mo?
May puppies, oh.
Kaya lapit ko na. Nakat yan.
Ito?
Yeah,
Ito?
this had a baby.
Oh, kasi mother.
Nandun
Ito?
yung pansabong ko.
Sa labas?
Alright, they're preparing the food. Baka. Yeah.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Ikos mo na yan. Kusensya ka.
Yan ang baboy.
Kaya sa akin, ito kung dumang sa akong sigado. Ay, imo man. May ano tayo na, uli man mo. Lumay yawon ka, dugay-dugay baboy. Masin ko ba? Ano may ginawa lang kayo? Ginalamin ko to.
Kaya kahit kinukuha.
Uy! Dasan? Sa mga kara.
Meron dito isa. Araw! Araw! Kuha na raw! Huwag mo na gamit. Ang daw saging pabrikador na lang. Para sa manok mga Muslim.
This one it's good. And there's a little rock. Yeah. Some more.
Pat, tuglan to kanay pat.
Little sand.
Pat.
Random leaf.
Eh, paminta lang na pre!
Ano lagi? Matutur na
It's gonna be bomb.
Ha? Iya ta.
Look at the chicks. That's how they cook right here. Makmaki and Selena experienced that.
So when you sit na mamaya sa sabaw, oh, it's my hard work.
Masarap talaga ito.
Masarap talaga ito kasi ako, kamay ko talaga ito. It's my kamay.
Sarap na ito.
And you know what, we will not wash mga dark forces. Oh, like ang bumaba.
They're cooking something. Chicken. So quiet.
New Year!
Hello, Happy New Year.
Iyaw ito ka video.
Manok?
Itik. Bibi, itik. Ito doon. Sa loob. Yung itik.
Hitik.
Tagal ka nagbalik dito, no?
Nagal na.
Ilang years? Mga 20.
20 plus years.
Ulit pa dito dati.
Ah,
Ayun, laki na.
yun na. 20 plus, 23 years. Sarang ganon.
Mga parinte. Laman loob, dinuguan.
Naman, pang dinuguan?
Oo. Yung mga itik ko, doon. Yung mga lalaki, iiyaw ko.
Okay. It's duck. Duck siya?
O dap.
Duck. It's duck. For dinuguan. Oh, yeah, later.
Ay, nagsiga na.
Duck din yan?
Dap yan. Ay, adobo yan, adobo.
Okay.
Doon sa isang lugar, doon yung kwan. Yung picture nila na nakahubad sila lahat. Ganyan niya o. Yung mga nabayo niya o. Ganyan yung ganyan.
First gen lang na
Sabay sila na ano. Pero lumalabas yung tintin.
Lahat sila. What's this? Oh, nice. Little Christmas tree. Ah, Oliver. Pinsan? Mak-mak din? Mak-mak. They got a mak. So this is Auntie Ging's home. See, kitchen, dining, and I don't know where the light is at. Let's see. No light, but okay. And then, oh, there's the room. Oh, and then it's the kitchen. It's not done. I don't think it's done. But you got a kitchen. Oh, switch. Alright, see. And there's more right here. Got more chairs.
Oh, sige lang. Buwas naman.
The kids are super curious, so we are. They know when someone's new. So, look at this. Bakit ganyan yung legs niya?
Dako-dako. Isa chiwas.
Dongtao chicken from Thailand.
Yan?
Old house.
The old house.
Old house.
Nag-vlog. Nandun na ako. Hi!
Saan kayo? Sila muna nila, dara na. Yan? Oo, bahay nila. That's the lanzones.
So now we're going back inside the house. Okay, there's kids. This is Abby. Don't know their names. And then this is the side of the house. So that's like kind of more space. And then that's the side. I just kind of want to show you the surrounding of the house. So this is.
Lutuan bar. Mari mo ganito.
Barato pa.
Half-day naman yan. Half-day ka mo karon? Kaya to si Melba Drial. Hey, babae lang, babae.
Hey,
Bye-bye. Padre, ako.
Alright, so we're buying fireworks right now for tomorrow. Get your before and after hands. Alright. A lot of fireworks.
Tatlo kayo pala. Grabe na. Tagal. Okay din ang tayo.
Sila, ako nandito na ako. Sila, okay, yeah, medyo mahaba.
Ano pangalan mo? Ikaw, sino ka?
Ading.
Okay, ako yan. Ay,
Bibi.
Na, ano, your niece.
Eunice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Siya naman, pero si
Yeah, wait. There's a video. Hi.
Iba, kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo. Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Ibigay mo na ang aming Christmas bonus.
Christmas song yan, hindi. Christmas song, hindi. Right here, right here.
Walang brief, may panty. May panty. May panty na yan. Hoy, sana! Napakawalan mo yung golden voice ko, sana!
Over there.
Diba? Dapat